Good morning, African people. There is a new project. This project I started yesterday night. Here, good people, I designed a VPN for South Africa. This VPN is working only at South Africa. I created based to South African people. This VPN, it have a free trial for 1 month. It's 10 gig, and the premium, it's a 30 gig, which means, guys, this one, it's a free plan when you're starting to using this VPN. This one, premium, it's where you going to pay for this connection. You're going to pay for this connection. This VPN is called by Mr. Sugute VPN Pro. It has a security. Inside there's a security. You can't fake, you can't do anything with it. And your account, when you're depositing for premium, it is safe, very safe. There's no scam can get your details. And the premium speed is very fast as possible. As speed is 500 MB. Let's check to connect now using free trial for 10 gig. We're gonna choose the saver. Let's choose saver Cape Town, and then let's come to the connection on top. Let's press the button to connect. Now is connected. As you see, we are connected to Cape Town saver. A nice one displaying the time here of connection, and the current speed for free trial is 100 MB per second. That is very fast. Good people. As you see, I designed a graph. That graph is showing how your data is moving fast and low. And there's a data usage, guys. As you see down here, there's an indicator showing we have a balance for 10 gig, and we have a balance that is continuing. This is nice, good people, for you South African free trial plan. How it's working perfectly nice. As you see, we had 1 minute connected, and 31 MB we already used. 300 MB we already used with 1 minute. That means this VPN is fast. Next thing, guys, we're going to test a premium. It has a 1, 2, 3, 4 savers of South African people. The speed on premium is 500 MB per second. It is very fast, like something you never see before. You ever see this thing? Let's disconnect, guys, and check the speed from Durban. Let's connect on a saver from Durban. We're using premium 30 gig per month, but the premium you will pay for premium. Let's check the speed for this one. 500 MB per second, guys. You must watch this. Per second, 500 MB per second, guys. It is very fast, like impossible fast. As you see here, now data is moving. Data is moving, as you see the speed there, as you see the speed. Alright, guys, as you see the speed, things is going perfectly, guys, perfectly well, and the usage data is going fast as possible, as you see now, as you see here. For more details, I will continue tomorrow, guys. I mean, in the middle day, this VPN is going like this, guys. I have a plan to add 100 gig for free, and a premium it will be 200 gig for free. I have a plan for adding more data for you people. Be patient, this VPN is coming out soon as possible. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel YouTube to get more updates. Thank you very much, people. Subscribe and like. Goodbye.